for my sin. I need a friend to call my own. I need a house to call my own. When I'm broken down inside and there's nowhere else to hide, I need a place where I feel known. Can someone help me? Then I hear you reply, bringing teardrops to my eyes, saying I'm not alone. Oh Lord, I need you now more than ever. Would you put my heart back together? I searched the world to my head just to find out your ways better. Oh, oh, your ways better. Oh, oh, your ways better. Oh, your ways better. Jesus, your ways better. Lord, I am so thankful for the ways that you bless me. Everything you say make the waves like a jet ski. You love every part of me even when I was messy. Now I see the art in your beauty, so I can finally sing out Jehovah.